Be honest with yourself right now. You've watched enough AI tutorials to teach one yourself. So why do you still have 0 clients? You've watched enough tutorials. You've saved the prompts. You've learned those tools. So if knowledge was enough, you've already been getting paid right now. And now you've started wondering if this is you, if AI is too crowded, or if you missed the window. You are actually wondering if businesses don't actually need someone like you. We hear this from people exactly like you every single day. And it turns out you've been telling yourself the wrong story that is not actually true. This is what is actually happening. Every time you finish more tutorials, 3 more tutorials shows up. The algorithm keep feeding you. You feel busy and you feel like you are moving forward. But busy isn't the same thing as being paid, right? After helping more than 1,500 students to learn AI video creation, we started noticing some patterns and some things that doesn't make sense or add up at first. Many students were learning more and more AI. They are adding more tutorials to what they are learning. They are watching more YouTube content, but still, they are not getting clients. Now, one particular message caught our attention. It wasn't someone asking for another AI tool. It wasn't someone asking for another tutorial. It was someone who already had a skill, but they still don't know how to turn those skills into income, right? Now, here is exactly what the person said in his own word. He said, the courses were okay. Now, I want information that will take my AI skill to a bigger level so I can consistently make money from this skill. Now, this is Quadri, a survey respondent from our AI video creation community. And this is where we started paying attention. Instead of creating another AI course, we begin studying those people that are already getting paid inside our community. It turns out that some of the fastest students to earn actually know less than others. Most of those students, they spend hours learning and mastering every new tools and still waiting for clients to notice them. But those people getting results, they know less than others. They know less than you right now. But what changed about them is that they followed a different approach and different sequence. They made one decision before they ever touched the prompt, right? That's why we started documenting those patterns and combined them with everything we've already proven ourselves. And eventually this became AI Video Cashout Vault 2.0. This is one of the false beliefs that is actually keeping you stuck. You think you need followers first. You need an audience. You need a proof first. None of this actually matters in the real sense of getting results. The winners we studied, they skipped all of these processes and they didn't wait to be noticed. Now, what most people will do is to wait for people to notice them, post on social media, hope the algorithm will work in their favor, and wait for clients to come to them, right? These things works. But what if you don't actually have such audience or you don't have that followers? There is another better route. Those people getting results, they didn't wait to be noticed. They walked straight up to one business and showed one clean sample and started a conversation. No audience required. Now picture this for a second. A business owner read your value message and replies on time. They ask you how much, not if you are good enough. You quote your price as if you've done this multiple times, right? Now, you are not the one chasing clients at this stage. They are the one coming to you because you finally know how to be useful. And that is the version of you this leads to. This is happening right now, over and over again. This is a case study of one of our clients. A client saw a valuable video and reached out to us. I call this the attraction phase. Then we replied them with one value message. And they replied to that value positioning by asking the question, how much? And I call this the capture and the engage phase. Now, after this, they agreed to make the first payment of $200. I call this the convert stage. This is where you interact with money, you transact with money, right? And this is where it all starts making sense. Now, we delivered this work and they loved it. They came back for more. That is how the flow should be. And this is not happening just one time. It's happening again and again. And this is exactly how it happens from start to finish. You find a business with a product, turn it into one clean AI video, send it with a short, useful message, get a reply, quote a price, get paid. That's the whole sequence right here. And this is actually what a finished video looked like.
Honestly, I love this Nivea Cocoa Lotion so much. My skin stays soft, smooth, and glowing all day. The smell is amazing too. I can't even go a day without it.
Now, let me show you how this works in real life. Now, this is Gift from our AI video creation community, how she landed her first client. It all started with one simple AI video gift created for a local business. And this is the video she created. One simple product video for a local business, nothing complicated, right? Just one business, one video. Now, she posted her results in the AI video creation group about how the client was happy, and more business started reaching out to her. Some came through referrals and some came from people who saw her work, right? And over time, those projects added up more than 200,000 naira. You can see the screenshots from here. And later, another business asked her to create a video. And before sending it to the client, she sent it to me first. She wanted one review before delivering it. She made a few small improvements to the video and delivered the video, and the client was happy with the result. This project earned her another 50,000 naira. Now, this wasn't a different system. She simply followed a simple process over and over again. Can you see? Gift didn't have a big audience. She wasn't well known. She became useful to just one business. Then she did it again and again. And that's exactly what the system is designed to help you do. Now, the real question isn't whether this works for other people like you. You can clearly see that it does, right? Now, the real question is whether you keep collecting tutorials or you finally follow the exact sequence that gets you paid. That exact sequence is now built into one complete system. It is called the AI Video Cashout Vault 2.0. This is not another course about AI tools. It is an entire operating system for turning your skill into paying clients. And this is built from the patterns we've documented from our own clients and from helping more than 1,500 people learn AI video. Inside the AI Video Cashout Vault 2.0, I'm giving everything you need to go from learning AI to actually getting paid with it. And every part of this you are seeing right here exists for just one reason: to help you get your first client faster. First, you will learn how to create premium AI videos that businesses are already paying for. These include product promos, avatar videos, faceless content, UGC style clips. In fact, the vault includes multiple types and we keep adding more to this. You only need one video to get your client faster. Then I will show you exactly how to package those skills into something business actually wants to buy. You'll be getting the message system that starts the conversation with business owner instead of you waiting months and hoping someone discovers you, right? Every message you send will feel personal and specific. It doesn't look copied. It doesn't look generic because every buyer is different and this kit treats them that way. Next, you are not going to be staring at your screen again or thinking of the prompt to actually use in creating your video, because this 50 prompts video vault is actually tested and refined, and we've seen that this works in creating your video. Any type of video you want to create, this 50 prompts video vault has it. You just need to open the proven prompt, copy, paste, and edit to your details, and you create your videos. Then you will see how you can price your work without you getting the price or you undercharging for your work, and without you feeling guilty not knowing what to say when they ask you the question, how much. This pricing calculator tells you exactly what to charge for the service you are delivering. It's simple. Now, this is a 7 days part that takes you from the setup to your first real client conversation. You are not guessing what to do next. Now, because I want to move faster with this, I'm also including access to premium AI tools you need to do this work without paying monthly fees, right? And also, every future update goes into this vault. And because I want this to become more than just client income, I'm also including our YouTube faceless monetization blueprint. Now, this shows you how to use this exact same AI video skill to build long-term content asset that can continue generating views, subscribers, and revenue for you over time. Now, client works, they get you paid now, but this helps you to build something that can keep paying you later. That's about YouTube. Now you know exactly what to create, exactly what to charge, exactly what to say, exactly what to do next, and what to do to stay ahead as AI changes. Everything is included. And this is everything you need to move from just learning AI to getting paid with it. So you can see that's everything you need. There is nothing you don't need inside this, right? This is the exact same system I'm going to use if I'm just starting from scratch with nothing but my laptop and internet connection. And because information isn't actually the problem anymore, there is information everywhere. It's about execution. And this is exactly why I actually removed the biggest risk possible. Go through the programs, do the work, follow the process. And if after 14 days you genuinely put in action, and still believe this isn't for you, just send us an email and we will refund every penny. That's how confident I am about what you are getting. A year from now, you either have clients or you still be collecting tutorials. The choice is yours. And as you can see, this offer won't always look like it does today. Bonus changes, resources changes, right? Access changes. But the ability to create video business are willing to pay for, that's a skill you will keep long after this page changes. So everything you need is waiting for you below this video. Read through the page. Look at everything that is included. Now see the students' feedbacks, the questions that has been answered for you, and everything you actually need. And make sure everything is right for you. And when you are ready, join us. Thank you for spending this time with me. I genuinely hope this becomes the moment everything changes for you. I'll see you inside.